Hello YouTubers, well some time ago I did upload this video. Let me just see if I can get this on there. Yes, I eventually got a replacement stylus for, I've just noticed it's a sapphire point. Never mind, I was rather hoping for diamond, but never mind, that's fair enough, that's oversight on my part. But I've got this replacement 78 stylus for my Garrard GC, I thought it was a GC8 actually, but anyway, what does it say there? No, it really doesn't matter because the main thing is I've got this new old stock stylus. It says, if I just show the instructions on the back, it says directions, so grip, yeah, lift. Well, there isn't a stylus, so I've got the new stylus with tweezers. Okay, I don't think I can put my hand on any trees at the moment. And push the stylus into that. So basically, the stylus needs to. Oh, come here. Yeah, the stylus needs to go into that little hole there, which my camera won't focus. I'll put it back down there and then twizzle this around. There we go. So it goes in that little hole there, which is gonna be fine. Right, so let's see if I can get this thing unwrapped. So I'll just take this out from here. Yes, rattle. Yep, just getting that out. Lovely sound effects, and then see if I can remove that. Okay, well, I'll tell you what, I shall. Unfortunately, I can't pause the. Oh, I like the. I like the little brush metro sound. Look at that. There we go. I'll put that down there, and you should be able to see it. Can you see the brush? Hang on. There it is. Metro sound. Love it. Anyway, let's just get this, see if we can get this stylus out. Yes. It's not wanting to play. Let's see now. Yeah, I see why they said you need tweezers. My goodness me, that is teeny tiny. Right, so let's see, without using tweezers, I'll see if I can get that into there. This could all go horribly wrong. Very interesting, I'm sure. Very, very, very awkward. Right. Yeah. This is not working well. I'll try again. I will indeed try one more time. And if this don't work, well, don't know what I'm going to do. Right. That is not in there. Right, okay, well, I think what I'm going to do is that does not want to go in actually, that's rather peculiar. Right, I'm going to stop this video and see if I can do this some other way.